No baked chocolate s'more. Ingredients: 8 cups of miniature marshmallows divided, 1/4 cup, 1/2 stick butter, 1 3/4 cups, 11.5 ounces packaged milk chocolate chips, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 9 about 2 cups graham crackers broken into 1/2-inch piece. Preparation: cinnamon flavored graham crackers, non-stick cooking spray, 8 to 9-inch square baking pan. Instructions: line 8 to 9-inch square baking pan with oil. Spray foil with non-stick cooking spray. Heat 6 cups of miniature marshmallows, butter, and salt in a large bowl. Microwave on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring after 90 seconds. Remove from microwave and add milk chocolate chips and stir until melted. Working quickly, stir in graham cracker pieces. Spread mixture into prepared baking pan with grease spatula, pressing down lightly. Then evenly sprinkle remaining marshmallows on top of mixture. Cool 2 hours or until set. Cut into square with serrated knife. Written by Sandra Eady. Photographed by Amy Toner and Austin Green. Prepared by Julia Schonbaker, Stephanie Schotman, Dallin Haymore, Dana Kanan, Jean Kerr, Tara Jeffords, Heidi Pearson, Elizabeth Suarez,